Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Sortly honest reviews. So if you are on their website, you can see that they say that you can organize and automate your inventory with the touch of a button, and you can get all of these features, things like that. Now let's look at some of the people's actual reviews. So the pros would be, one guy says, I've been pretty happy with it. It has all of the features and pricing is better. Okay. So another guy, he's getting his inventory tracked in an asset database before, and the change to Sortly saves him so much time, blah 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 blah. Now let's look at some of the cons, because this is what is more important. The design of the software is a big time suck. After 2 months of the $120 per month fees, my opinion is that it's hard to understand how to justify the use of this software. One downside of using this software is that it took me a couple of hours to learn how to use all of its features. The only negative I've experienced is with the lack of instant notification. I wish it had notified the administrator or owner when specific items are pulled from inventory. Items seem to disappear or move from account to account. This could be possible be caused by updates, but nonetheless makes things difficult. Okay, so the first two cons is about the learning curve. And to be honest, I would say the learning curves come with everything. Like, let's say when Facebook first came around, people had to learn how to use everything on their own. When computers, desktops, anything was made, you need to really learn how to put things, like even right now, if you don't know, let's say, how to use Microsoft Word, and I'm giving you a tutorial, obviously you do need some time to get used to the learning curve, and I would say that is pretty much normal. Now let's look at Trustpilot. So why to not trust Sortly? It is rare that, okay, he's saying that he's destroying trust. There have been customers. 2 days ago, Sortly advised us, blah 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 blah. So they proposed them a new plan, okay, and fails to understand that most of his customers are likely to be reasonables. Okay, so maybe this guy, they didn't want to switch and they're talking about other things. But as you can see, most of the reviews are good, and I would say it depends on what kind of user you are. As they say, excellent customer service, certainly to manage everything, excellent product. Overall, this is a good product. All you need to do is just get through the learning curve, and rest of the other things should come with it. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.